again, Get Fit, Get Active for beginners. These are 7-minute workouts for you if you are just getting back into fitness. Maybe you've had a medical condition, got a medical condition, or you've had an illness or surgery and you're getting back to things really nice and slowly. I'm here with a workout every day, 7 minutes. So this is the third workout I've done, and I'll link to workout 1 and workout 2 here so you can go back and do those. We're going to focus on your hips today. So if you feel that your hips and lower back are quite stiff, not getting much mobility, join me for this simple mobility workout that you can do. It's going to help you feel good, going to give you a positive mindset, and it's going to get your hips moving. If you're struggling with balance, watch the video through first, and then you can do the video holding onto a chair, holding onto the wall, and we're going to work a little bit on balance as well and build up to it. Okay, are you ready? Come with me, let's go. Take the legs wide. We will start with a hip side to side, so just relax your knees, relax your shoulders, let it go. And again, you can be holding onto the wall here or a chair if you need a little bit more stability, but I do want to improve your balance, and we will do some balance training in this program. Okay, side to side. Now you're going to tilt the pelvis forward and back. So if I turn to the side, you'll see me. We tilt forward, we tilt back. There you go. And you might feel how much movement have you got on the way forward and on the way back. Might feel quite stiff, and then move side to side. Breathe. Good again. Then when you're ready, circle the hips around. The other way, circle around the left. Good, you've got it. Good, one more. Then back again, side to side. Just let the hips relax. Good, you've got it. How are they feeling now? Okay. Forward and back again. Let's go. Forward and back. So tilt the pelvis. So this is called an anterior and a posterior tilt. Circle the hips around. You've got it. Circle around the other way. So again, you can be holding onto your chair. Now, let's go. Just rock and roll. Now you're going to balance on your left side. Again, hold the chair if you need it. We have a tap, and then circle. There you go. You can keep it quite small. Bit of rotation, tap and circle. I love this movement. Good, 2 more, tap and circle. 1 more. The other side, here we go. So we tap, circle, and again, tap and circle. Good, you got it, and tap. That's it. Do 2 more. Now that would be your lowest level, beginner level. Change again, tap and circle. Good, again, tap and circle. Now you can continue with that, or you can add a knee circle. There you go. So again, you're opening the hip. 1 more. Change to the other side. Tap and circle. Yes. Tap, circle. 1 more. Here we go. Knee circle. All the way around. That's it. Just a little bit bigger. 1 more. I'm working on my balance. Tap and circle on the right. We'll do 2. And if you want to take a knee circle, 1 more. And then internal knee circle. Good, 1 more. And then tap and circle, same leg. Are you ready to change? Here we go. And again, you can do this little workout as many times as you need to. If you're sitting for long periods of time, you could just jump up and do this 7 minutes. Tap and circle. Good, you've got it. 1 more. Now just a single knee lift. And then just take the leg back. So lean forward again. You can hold onto your chair. And then take the leg to the side. So that is hip abduction. And again, this left leg, you're going to feel it, aren't you? 1 more. The other side, here we go. So we have a knee, leaning forward, knee front, lean forward, take it out to the side. Ooh, got to work on my balance. 2 more. Good, 1 more. Then change again. Here we go. So this is your combination, knee. We do 2. Let your upper body just move forward and then take it out to the side. Again. 2 more side. 1 more. Now change, here we go. So it's a knee, bring it back, lean forward, knee up, take it out to the side. Yes. How are those hips feeling now? One more. Go again, knee lift. So it's knee, down, hip behind, knee, lower, hip behind. Take it out to the side, out, bring it in. 2 more. Good, last one. Change sides, go. Breathe for me. Good, good, again. 1. Out to the side. Here you go with the hips. Yes, we're nearly there. 1 more. Now take the legs apart again. Hips. Now if you're sitting down, you can still work your hips on your chair by doing your pelvic tilts. Tilt forward and back. And your lower back. 2, tilt forward. Last one. Here we go. Knee lift, up. 4 knee lifts. And 4 up, outer thigh lifts. Knee lift, 1. Good for the hips. Take it out to the side. Now we're going to take the legs a little bit wider. See how you feel with this. You're going to lunge. Side, side. Now if you're feeling this in your knees and it's uncomfortable for your knees, then you can go back to your single knee lift. There you go. 2 more. 1 more. Here we go, hips side to side, just rock again, just push. Circle the hips around. There. Do it again, circle the hips around. And then side to side. Last time for our little combination, balance on your left, tap, circle, knee circle. 1 more. The other side, tap, circle, knee circle. 1 more. And there you go. Good. There you go. There's your get active, get moving, hip mobility, 7 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you managed it, and if you can do any of the other workouts in the series, let me know, and keep checking in every day for a new workout. So I want to hear from you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell notification, and for sure share this workout across your social media platforms. And I'll see you on the next video.